all anti the nails, completely covers your nails. You can find any like a space between, and you can do your crystal placements on it to give it a nice look with the flowers, and then some cute blings for the clients. All right, so I want to clear this guys for 30 seconds. If you pay attention, I get the nails a little bit shorter for all of you, because then it's a lot of you who's like, what is 30 seconds. And then last one we're gonna do is fusioning, and then the Louis designs, I think you asked for. Oh, this one is gonna look good. So beautiful, everyone. You can play your, like, say if you want to be more as teal color, you can do it on toward on this side, but you want to do more like a pink, you can do this side. So really interesting. Now I'm going to do it like a little bit more for theme Easter. Okay. Make sure you give it a good pressure. This is super cute one. Look at how it transferred good. Okay, so now we are going to using condensed glue gels. It's really simple and quick and easy, right, everyone? I was like, take a little bit longer time so then I can show you step by step, but I promise you can achieve it in a no problem at all. This is really pretty. It looks good on the other background as well. Close that. If you're first time using our condensed glue gels, this might be a little bit thick density, which is really normal. Just blend it out nicely, and you see it stay nice, and you don't see any lumpy bumpy at all. No white top coat on the top, floating on the top of the condensed glue gel. And we are going to using this guy right there. And I also bend that one as well. And I'm using a tiny little raindrop. Then I get the green one. Here's a blue one. I need the blue, the colors right there. That tray there. I want to use just a smaller crystals, as I don't want to make it look too busy for this, guys. Silver beads, my silver beads there. Move the silver. I don't know how about you lady, but me, each day that I got to do the live video for you, it's so excited. I'm so into it and focused on it, because if you see that I prepare the colors, also I prepare the shape. But if you pay attention on all entire throughout a past over 2 years, it's not come out, you know, like spontaneous. It's just a prepare, but we're always being ready for what it's gonna be like take us to. Like if you pay attention on your mix bag, if you have, right, just think about if at the first time I place a crystal placement, you're seeing a great for beginner, but then when you start playing a lot with crystal, your level go up, right? So then your mix bag become your challenge, which is awesome, because everything you will pick out from a mix bag is gonna turn out really great, because you're a master of your skill by just let it challenge you. So that's why I love it every time I get to go live with you ladies. It's really a great experience, because we can do it together, and that's it. You want more, you can put more. I don't know Jessica here, I didn't get to see, but I keep doing nails and then talk to you ladies at the same time. But you have one item to get escape to the Iceland. You can pick one mix bag. Mix bag have everything, like your dragon scale, your beads, your frame, all different designs, you know, a lot of them in there. So these are good for a long time. Okay, great. So if you're happy with this, you can clear this one for 60 seconds. I think I'm gonna do one more. I think I feel like I'm missing something. You see that I'm trying to blend the greens with the greens, and then the hot pink with the pink. Great, so if you're happy with this, clear for 60 seconds. Let me zoom this one much better. Great. So we did with this cute little guys. There's so many different ways to do that. You're seeing a lot of our different pictures. And let me move on this one. And the last ones we're gonna work with the diamond shards. It's also one of my favorite shape as well. I don't know, I have so many different favorites one. It's hard not to like it, because it's so sparkle and so easy, and especially flat pack, it's really easy and friendly to use as well. Okay, so this one, are we doing beads on this one? Yeah. Oh, hold on. So we're gonna do some fusioning on this one. Let's do some fusionings, everyone. And we are going to using a precision glue to double secures all the crystals, even though they're a little tiny one. But sometimes it have the frames and it has the beads in it. I would try to check it. I'd rather to check it to be safe than sorry. So I'm gonna run the needles throughout that the beads and the crystals. And if I feel it's scratchy or the cracks right there, just squeeze just a little bit small amounts. One little squeezes go a long way, everyone. You don't need to do whole lots because as it's gonna flood your crystal. So, and if you feel like a lot of extra glue, precision glue, just using a twin tip brush and then just blending it out so then it doesn't look lumpy after you cure it. It's gonna look nice and flawless. Great. All right, so cure for 60 seconds and we are done with these beautiful nails.